Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the device and remove the case so heat won't trap. Once done, verify you have the original charger or one with the same voltage and current rating. Mismatched chargers slow charging. Make sure the port is clear. Blow compressed air or carefully use a toothpick to remove lint. You want a stable, cool connection. A hot phone charges slower. Do these steps before plugging in to get measurable improvement immediately. Now, plug directly into a wall outlet. This provides full current versus a PC's USB port. Once connected, enable airplane mode or a power-saving profile to stop apps drawing power. If the cable feels warm or the phone reports slow charge, swap to a known good cable and test. Cables with internal damage cause voltage drop and slow charging. Make sure ports and connectors have firm contact. A loose connection reduces current flow and prolongs charging time. To finish, calibrate the battery if the charge percentage is inaccurate. Charge to 100%, then let it drain to about 5% and recharge. This fixes reporting, not battery health. Once done, install system updates and close heavy background apps because software can throttle charging. If charging remains slow after swapping chargers and cables, make sure to test another outlet. If the issue persists, bring the device in for battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.